Hi future homeowners! For today's vlog, we will feature another house and lot property near Clark International Airport. So, dito yan sa Mabalacat. And the project is Hamana Home. So, later on, yan makita nyo yung distance from yung point of reference natin dito sa SM City, Pampanga. And going to the site itself. So, malapit lang din siya from San Fernando to Mabalacat because we will going to enter NLEX. So that is SM City, Pampanga. And then, since very accessible siya, we'll just going to turn right as we enter sa NLEX or the North Luzon Expressway. So we will going to exit in Santa Ines as well. So just like what we had in Claremont. So magkakalapit lang din kasi yan mga subdivision kasi the area is really strategic yung location niya. That's why a lot of developers sinaturate yung location na yun or yung area because of its proximity to nearby establishments. Ayan. We're entering now sa NLEX. Buti na lang may load na tayo ngayon. So, ayan, ang bilis lang from the entrance ng San Fernando and NLEX going to the exit ng Santa Ines. So, this is the Santa Ines exit already. Ayan. So, ayan siya. So, we will just going to turn right as we move forward sa mismong site. Ayan, we will just going to turn right. If you will notice, ayan, may signage ng Clark Airport kasi malapit lang dito yung Clark International Airport. If you will notice, upon exit, meron ng signage ng Hamana Homes which is about 5 kilometers lang. So, ayan, makikita natin, magkakalapit lang mga subdivisions ng mga big developers. Ayan, madadaan natin yung Philinvest. And then we have the Bria Homes. Ito another subdivision, si Ravenna. So another big developer, if you will notice on my right, is the Cheerful Homes by SMDC, one of the top leading developer again dito sa Pampanga. So ayan, magkakalapit lang. And also we have the First Park Homes. So dito talaga sa area na to, nasaturate ng mga developers. As in magkakalapit lang sila. And yun nga, si SMDC nag-expand pa siya ng Cheerful Homes too. But again, for our objective for our vlog today, we will be heading to Hamana Homes. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa site. So, may makikita kayong big tarpaulin dito na with the tagline ni Hamana, "Delightful living made better." Yun yung tagline ni Hamana. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa site. Ayan, magpa-park lang tayo dito sa harap ng office natin. So, this is the office. Ayan, sa Pacifica Homes by Hamana Homes. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Hamana Homes. Welcome to our humble office. Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. For today's vlog, we will going to feature another project dito sa Pampanga, which is very strategic yung location niya, dito sa Hamana Homes. Together with me is Sir Alfred.
Hello, good morning.
Our broker coordinator who will be joining us dito sa house tour. So, Sir Alfred, before anything else, we would love to know first the developer, sir. Who is
Okay.
our developer?
Actually, Hamana Homes, the developer of Hamana Homes is PHDC, Pacifica Homes Development Corporation. ang owner po nito is Century Pacific.
Oo.
Sino po si Century Pacific? Sila po yung may-ari ng Century Tuna, 555 Sardines, Argentina, Shakey's, at marami pa po. Actually, they are the top 14 richest
Dito sa Philippines.
family in the
Oh.
Philippines po. Yeah. So, speaking of stability, di ba?
Oo.
Thumbs up tayo dyan.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, they do have the financial capacity to really
Yes.
finish the whole development. Speaking of development, actually, we're here in dito sa scale model. So, as I can see, sir, parang ang laki na yata nito. How many hectares ba to, sir?
Actually, this is a 15 hectares project. 14 hectares po is the residential area, and the remaining 1 hectare is the commercial po.
Okay.
So, Hamana Homes po, para sa kaalaman nyo din, hindi po siya congested.
Okay.
So, ang tawag po nila doon is low density po. Actually, it's 83 units lang po tayo per hectares po.
And I believe, sir, dito sa site development natin, there are features, diba, when it comes to the open spaces and even yung sa Spine Road. Ito yung
Yeah.
pinaka na gustuhan ko, sir. Dito sa may Spine Road area neto, no? Dalawa siya, right,
Yeah.
sir? And yung pinagmamalaki natin, yung roads nyo, sobrang laki. How many meters ba yung mga natin dito, road, sir?
Yes, to begin with the road po, the question is, why is Hamana? So first, the location.
Oo.
Hamana Homes po is actually located along the highway. Yun po yung Mabalacat Magalang Road.
Okay.
Second, we have 2 main gate, 2 Spine Road po, na kami pa lang po yata dito sa Pampanga na mayroong 2 Spine Road. And then third, yung sabi mo nga, our pinakamaliit na road wide is 8 meters po. Compared to other projects, other developer po, they have 6 to 6.5 meters. So napaka-generous ni Hamana na binigyan tayo ng 42% open space. Pero nasa batas po natin, at least 30% po ang open space.
And also, the unit owners can also enjoy yung amenities, di ba? So, what are the amenities Hamana has to offer sa atin, sir?
Yes, actually, bago sa amenity, main amenities natin, we have the Lush Garden,
Okay.
the Linear Park, and sa naman, sa main amenities natin, we have the clubhouse po
Clubhouse.
na 2-story siya, and then swimming pool, of course, and we have the multipurpose court po. Why multipurpose court? Yung mga naunang client po natin na coming from US, they suggested na bakit walang lawn tennis, bakit walang volleyball court. That's why kinonvert namin yung basketball court dati na gawing multipurpose court.
Okay.
Kaya ngayon, pwede siya kahit volleyball yan, lawn tennis, and basketball court po.
I see. So, sa Hamana Homes talaga, we have a really generous open space and mga amenities
Yes
that
po.
our clients or buyers can enjoy kapag
Yes.
nakatira na sila dito, no, sir? Ayun. So, when it comes to the model unit, so are you excited to go inside? Tara, puntahan natin yung mga model units natin na hindi tayo papalito kasi magkakatunog sila, di ba, sir?
Yes, yes.
O, sige. O, tara, let's go.
Come on.